Hi, boys and girls. We're here for some more math. So what we're going to do is we're going to use these dice to find the partner of 10. So you count the dots on the first die, and then you add the dots on the second one to make it so it equals 10. So I have 4. Now we're going to keep drawing dots to get to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means 4 and 6 are 10 friends. So let's go to the next one. I have 3, and so I'm going to keep going until I get to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, so the next row, we should know this one because this is a doubles. 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. So on the next one, we have 1, and we're going to keep counting until we get to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, so next I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to keep going until we get to 10. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's push pause here. Oh, I'll do the next one with you just so that you can see. So there's 0 in that square. So we have to put 10 in this square. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 plus 10. So go ahead and do the rest of this side. So push pause, and then when you're ready to go, you can turn your page over and push play. All right, boys and girls, this is another Rocket Math paper. You should be getting super good at these by now because we've done so many of them. So remember, the first thing I've taught you to do is always look for the minus ones and write the number that comes before the minus 1 or before the bigger number on the number line. So the first one is 1, and then I'm going to skip the second problem and go to the third problem. 7 minus 1, the number before is 6. And 6 minus 1, the number before is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So push pause and find all of the minus ones on your paper, and then push play again, and we'll look for the neighbors. All right, boys and girls, here we are back again. So you should have all the answers to the minus ones on your paper. And then it's super easy because when we find a neighbor on the number line and it's subtracting, we know the answer is 1. So you can go through and fill out the rest of your problems. The answers are just 1. And when you're finished, be a responsible kid and do the next thing that your teacher has asked you to do.